Okay, this is a microwave oven, so it serves as a microwave and as an oven and toaster. If you just want to heat up your food, make sure that the power is plugged in and one button, it says start. That's it. If you want toast. I think that's probably all we have to do.